You're standing at checkout or browsing online, ready to make a purchase with your US Bank Split World Mastercard, a card that promises flexible payments, strong rewards, and smarter budgeting. But you pause and wonder, is this card really the financial upgrade it claims to be? Or is it just another overhyped banking product in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down real financial tools and banking products so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. Today we're reviewing the US Bank Split World Mastercard to see if its split payment system, rewards and features genuinely deliver value this year. I spent an entire week testing the Split World Mastercard across everyday spending categories. I made purchases online, in-store, and through subscription platforms. I also tested the split payment feature, cashback categories, fraud alerts, and mobile banking tools. To get a full picture, I compared it to similar cards like the Chase Freedom Flex, Capital One Saver One, and Citi Custom Cash. I also looked at user reports and performance feedback from banking forums to understand real-world issues and benefits. After this full evaluation, I now know exactly where the Split World Mastercard stands in 2026. US Bank markets this card as a hybrid solution, part rewards card, part flexible payment tool. It highlights easy installment splitting, strong mobile controls, contactless payments, and competitive rewards. But does it really work smoothly? Does it truly help with budgeting? And is it a better choice than traditional cashback cards? Step 1. Split payment feature. The main feature, you can take any qualifying purchase and divide it into manageable monthly installments. In testing, the process was smooth and setup only took seconds. It's useful for medium purchases, though interest varies depending on the term. Step 2. Rewards program. The card offers cashback on everyday categories like dining, gas, streaming, and groceries. Rewards are consistent and predictable, though not as high as rotating bonus cards. Step 3. Mobile banking and controls. The US Bank app integrates well with the Split World Mastercard. You can freeze the card instantly, activate installment plans, or redeem rewards. Notifications are fast, and spend tracking is detailed. Step 4. Fees and APR. This card has no annual fee, which is a major advantage. The downside is a higher APR range than competing cashback cards. Installment plans can also add interest depending on terms. Step 5. Security and reliability. Fraud monitoring works well and biometric login adds a security boost. Purchases were approved quickly and Tap to Pay performed consistently. Step 6. Customer support. US Bank support is decent but inconsistent. Live chat is fast, while phone support can involve longer wait times during peak hours. So, is the US Bank Split World Mastercard the card we need in 2026? Pros: easy, fast split payment system, no annual fee, good everyday cashback categories, strong mobile banking features, reliable fraud protection. Cons: APR is higher than competitors. Installment plans may cost more long-term. Rewards are solid but not industry-leading. Customer support can be slow at times. Not ideal for travelers or premium perks. Bottom line, the Split World Mastercard is an excellent choice for people who want flexible payments and consistent everyday rewards without paying an annual fee. If you value budgeting tools and installment control, it's a strong contender. But if you're looking for premium travel perks, rotating high bonus categories, or ultra-low APR, other cards may suit you better. If this review helped you understand whether the US Bank Split World Mastercard fits your 2026 financial goals, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Comment below which card you want reviewed next: cashback, travel, or business. Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping your money, tools, and tech work smarter for you.